How to factory reset a Javiscam security camera. This is a wireless indoor-outdoor camera. Most of them work the same, and you might want to do this if if it's failing to sync with the app or not responding or something like that, or frozen. A lot of times, or the files are not being sent properly. A lot of times just doing a reset will fix a lot of those issues. You're going to need to set it up again because it's going to be detected like a new device on your app once you do this. And this is another reason you might want to do this. If you want to set this up as a new camera somewhere and just start totally fresh, we can go ahead and do this. It's really easy. With it on, we're just going to come in here. And under here, there's these two buttons. On the left is the power button, and on the right is the reset button. So I'm going to make sure our camera is on, and with our camera on, we're just going to come in here and we're going to press and hold the reset button. And just keep holding.
Reset complete, and the device is restarting.
So you have to hold that for about 3 to 5 seconds until it says reset is complete, device is restarting, and then it will restart and be detected as a new camera. And if you're interested in this camera, I'll put a link down below.